It is my great honor to stand before you today at the 4th International Research Conference hosted by St. Dominic College of Asia. I extend my warmest greetings to all the distinguished guests, fellow researchers, and participants gathered here. I am Jomar Liwanagan Linga, a secondary school teacher too at Landi National High School, Santa Cruz North District, Division of Marinduque, Mimaropa Region, Philippines, and presenting the research study entitled Assessing Teacher Support During the Extensive Reading Literacy Program of Brigada Pagbasa at Landi National High School. Brigada Eskwela is a cornerstone program of the Department of Education that embodies the spirit of bayanihan to support our schools. As outlined in DepEd Memo number 48 released August 2, 2021, Brigada Pagbasa is an integral part of our mission to foster a culture of reading and literacy that is crucial for the development of our learners. This program is a testament of our commitment to ensure that every Filipino child is equipped with the fundamental skills to succeed in life. The Program for International Student Assessment or PISA evaluates the literacy of 15-year-olds in various countries around the world. Unfortunately, the Philippines has consistently lagged behind the global average in math, science, and reading. In an article written by Christina Chi in the Philippine Star last December 2023, the Philippines ranked 79th out of 81 countries in reading with an average score of 340 in 2018. The Philippines did a slight improvement in reading scores, gaining 7 points from 2018, which is 340, to 2022 score of 347. And the reason behind why the researcher come up with a study is to know why the selected students seek support during the extensive reading literacy, to conduct an assessment about a teacher's support during the extensive reading literacy program of Brigada Pagbasa, and to assess how the teachers support the students in extensive reading literacy, and to know the importance of extensive reading literacy. The main problem of the study is why the students seek support during the extensive reading literacy. For the sub-problem, why does the Landi National High School teachers support the students in extensive reading literacy? Why do the students seek support during the extensive reading literacy? What is the importance of an extensive reading literacy program on the selected Landi National High School students? For the methodology of the study, the researcher chooses Landi National High School as the location of the study, since the respondent and the researcher is from the said institution. The study was conducted last August 2021 to April 2022, and the participants are the selected grade 8 students. This study is a qualitative research in nature and a phenomenological approach, since the kind of research is a live experience that reflected their personal insights based on the daily life of the participants. This type of data gathering are semi-structured interviews, observation, during the reading activities, and document analysis that serve as the proof of conducting the study. Results and discussion is presented via table. Table 1, Teacher Support During the Extensive Reading Literacy. Table 2, Students Seeking Support During the Extensive Reading Literacy Program. And Table 3, Importance of Extensive Reading Literacy Program of the selected students. For the results and discussion of the study, the importance and role of teachers in extensive reading is crucial for students' development in acquiring skills and knowledge. 1. Guidance and encouragement. 2. Setting goals and modeling behavior. 3. Monitoring and support. 4. Developing learner autonomy. For the importance of extensive reading is divided into 4 categories. Effective teaching. Extensive reading is a powerful tool for language acquisition and skills development. For teachers' guidance, teachers play a pivotal role in promoting extensive reading like book selection, motivation, and monitoring progress. For the effect of reading program, a well-designed reading program has profound impact on students, like motivation. It instills a love for reading and making it a lifelong habit. For language proficiency, regular exposure to authentic language improves overall language skills. For confidence, successful reading experiences boost learners' confidence. And cognitive benefits, reading enhances critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving. In summary, teachers serve as the guidance, motivators, and companions on the extensive reading journey, fostering a love for reading and language learning. Their role is indispensable in creating lifelong readers. For the conclusion of the study, the respondents are actively striving to balance their various responsibilities. However, they encounter challenges and related to finding suitable time and space for reading and writing activities. Their busy schedule and limited physical space at home make consistent engagement in these activities difficult. Success factor for extended reading program. Extended reading programs thrive under specific conditions like teachers' guidance. Effective teachers play a crucial role for providing direction and assistance for students. Access to materials. Students benefit from having access to diverse range of reading materials and structured approach. A well-designed program ensures the consistent practice and measurable outcomes. For the recommendation of the study for teachers, they should focus on the individual needs of the students in terms of reading literacy, and they must assess them and give their support to their students. For students, to increase their understanding of the situation to improve their reading skills and practice not only in school but also in their home with the help of their parents. For parents, at a very young age, they must practice their child's reading skills so that it can develop as time pass and continue teaching them how to read so they can be good at reading. And to the future researchers, they might use the findings of this research as a reference point for their own work related to this topic, since this study highlights that the selected students had challenged themselves as a student to practice extensive reading literacy. And for the reference of the study, the complete list of references can be accessed on the IMRAD format provided by the researcher. Thank you. That would be all. Once again, my name is Joe Marlinga, and the researcher is now ready for your questions and suggestions.